Welcome to the channel. In today's video, we will see how to effectively utilize oscillators in Amibroker for trading. For those who are interested in technical analysis, this tutorial will guide you through identifying a key buy and sell signals. Let's begin. The topics that are covered are what is an oscillator, second one is setting up Amibroker, third one is applying an oscillator in Amibroker, fourth one is analyzing the oscillator, fifth one is combining with other indicators, and the last one is simple trade setup. First we will see what is an oscillator. Oscillators are a technical tool that fluctuate between two extremes. Helps traders to identify a overbought or oversold market conditions. A commonly used oscillator is the RSI, Relative Strength Index, which ranges from 0 to 100. When the RSI rises above 70, it suggests that the market might be overbought. On the other hand, when the RSI falls below 30, it indicates that the market could be oversold. The second subtopic is setting up Amibroker. First, open Amibroker, then load a chart and the database. Here, I have loaded the Best Chart Index real-time data to display a basic price chart for Nifty. Second, I have an apply a oscillator. So for that, in chart section, choose RSI under indicators. The RSI will appear below your price chart. You can change the period if necessary. Normally, the period in Amibroker refers to the number of bars used to calculate an oscillator. But for now, we'll keep it as a default setting of 15. Now let's analyze this oscillator. The RSI ranges from 0 to 100 and helps to identify if the market is overbought or oversold. For example, in Nifty, when the RSI is above 70, it suggests that the market is overbought, indicating a possible price drop or a reversal, which could be a sell signal. When the RSI is below 30, it suggests the market is oversold, meaning prices may rise soon, signaling a potential buy opportunity. Here, let's combine this RSI oscillator with moving average. In that, you'll get a powerful strategy to confirm trends and identify a potential buy and sell signal. Further, open moving average under averages. When the price is above 15 moving average, it typically indicates a uptrend. When the price is below the 15 period moving average, it suggests a downtrend. Now we'll do a simple trade setup. For an uptrend, if the price is above the 15 period moving average and the RSI is below 30, it could be a good time to buy. This means the price is going up but the RSI is low, which suggests the market has dropped a bit and could be ready to go up again. See here, these are the right place to buy a stock. In a downtrend, if the price is below the 15 period moving average and the RSI is above 70, it could mean the market is overbought. This might be a good time to sell, as the market may be ready for a correction. See here, these are the right places to sell a stock. In a sideways market, if the price is near the 15 period moving average and the RSI moves between 30 to 70, it indicates that the market is in a consolidation phase. In this scenario, both the indicator helps to stay cautious and avoid making decisions in an uncertain market. These are the places to avoid entering a trade. While the moving average gives a signal, the RSI does not. And that's it. You have learned how to use oscillators in Amibroker. Try out different settings and remember to combine them with other indicators for a better results. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more trading tips. See you in next video. Bye.